Modules 1 and 2 covers 2 chapters in your book. The first chapter is called Introduction to Security, and the second one is Identity and Access Management. And so what you'll see is when you enter your book, so let's take us to the first chapter here, you can see that there is quite a bit of reading in the first couple of chapters. So make sure you're going through and reading everything. This will give you a good overview of the basic terminology in security. Okay, so in this section of Brightspace, you have my notes, which is just a PowerPoint where I threw together some slides for the vocabulary and the material covered, so hopefully that is helpful to you. You have discussion 1, and discussion 1 is just asking you to introduce yourself, and that is due on February 3rd with the initial post. Let me just look at my calendar here. The initial post will be due the Friday before, which is January 30th. Okay, and then your response to your classmate would be due February 3rd. Okay, the other assignments then are related to the reading and the book. The first 2 are for chapters 1 and 2, all the participation and challenge activities. So make sure you're reading through the chapter and completing the activities. And then the labs themselves, there are 2 labs. One of them is basics, and it teaches you how to complete the labs, right? So it gives you some good exposure to how to connect to the servers, go through the steps, etc. And then the next one is on malware. So this is more topic related. Okay, and then the last thing I wanted to show you before I let you loose on the module is take a look at the course schedule. Okay, there are 2 things going on here. So I just talked about module 1 and 2, but also I want you to complete the activities in the course information section. There is a reading and an acknowledgement that you have to sign for academic integrity at SUNY Niagara. And the second one is, again, reading and then you defining what your technology backup plan is should you, run into a situation where either your computer dies or you don't have internet access, etc. Those are also due on February 3rd, and then these are all the activities in the first 2 modules. So do let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you enjoy the material that you're reading.